Google Chrome zero-day exploit CVE 2022-2856 fix. Good old Google Chrome. There's another exploit in the wild, but before I get to any of this official Chrome release blog post, I'm going to quickly go over what you can do to fix this exploit. And it is an exploit, and if you do not upgrade your web browser is susceptible, and your computer operating system is susceptible to this exploit. What you want to do is upgrade to the latest and greatest version of Google Chrome. It's real easy. If you are using Apple Mac and crap and Linux, I don't have a derogatory term yet for Linux. I'm thinking one. Linux is not perfect. I prefer Linux over Apple Mac and crap and microslop windblows. I just have not found a derogatory term yet. You will want to upgrade Google Chrome on Apple Mac and crap and Linux to 104.0.5112.101. If you're using microslop windblows operating system, you're going to want to upgrade Google Chrome to 104.0.5112.102/101. And not everybody may have access to this current version. It said it will roll out in the coming days, weeks. I use MX Linux, which is a Debian derivation distribution, and I ran apt-get update, and there is a browser update. I just haven't. I probably after this video I will go ahead and install it. Alright, so what you do is open up Google Chrome. Top right, you see the three dots, which is a menu. Click that, then choose Help, and then choose About Google Chrome. I think my encoder recorded that. If not, I told you what to click on. Click on the three dots, drop down menu, choose Help, choose About Google Chrome. Then you're going to see this page. Now, as you can see, I've not installed the latest and greatest version of Google Chrome, but I will. I have 104.0.5112.79. And now normally it is supposed to check for updates. However, I'm using Linux, and I do not install updates through the software. I have to use apt-get. And so if you're a Linux user and you're using a Debian derivation distribution, you type in apt-get space update. Once that command completes, then you run apt-get space dist-upgrade. And I checked it. There is that update available for Google Chrome. And then you say yes when it asks you, do you want to install these updates? And then now if I were to do it live, which I'm not going to, what would happen is if I went to this page, it would say relaunch. So whether you are using Apple Mac and crap or microslop windblows operating system or Linux, well, not Linux, but Mac and crap and windblows, it should automatically check for an update, and it should begin downloading it. There should be a progress indicator. Then eventually, once that update is downloaded and installed, it will have a relaunch button. And all you have to do is click on relaunch. And it'll restart Google Chrome. It'll save your cookies and cache and history and all that. And it will open up, I think it opens up all the tabs that you already had open. And then you should see the update. So instead of 104.0.5112.79, you should now see on Mac and Linux 104.0.5112.101, on Windows 104.0.5112.102/101. And now you fixed your problem because you upgraded to the latest and greatest. And you should not be susceptible to this exploit. Now I have, what is it, 3:20, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. Now we can go over some facets of this exploit. If you scroll down, now this is Google's official blog, Google Chrome's official blog chrome-releases.googleblock.com/2022/08/stable-channel-update-4-stable-16.html. And I expect you to type that entire uniform resource locator exactly as on screen, as highlighted. If you do not, it is not my fault. No, but what you could do is you could go to chrome-releases.googleblock.com and check for the August 22nd update. All right, August 16th. All right. If you scroll down, they admit that it is a problem. Google is aware that an exploit for CVE 2022-2856 exists in the wild. So the thesis, antithesis, synthesis, the solution is just to upgrade Google Chrome. That's all you have to do. I think if you use Mac and crap and Winblows, I think you can enable automatic updates for Google Chrome, but don't quote me on that. On Linux, it's different. You cannot. Well, at least on MX Linux, which is Debian, and I've used a lot of Debian derivation distributions. I think they still have, I could be wrong, but I think they do have that feature where you would enable automatic updates for Google Chrome, and then it should prompt you. It'll check the Google Chrome server for an update. In the background, it'll download it, and it will possibly prompt you to relaunch, and then that's all you have to do. Here's a tip. I don't know if it's a gold tip or fool's gold. This is just a tip. What you may want to do is close all your tabs. And you may want to just go ahead and don't leave any tabs open, and then go ahead and install the update. And then here's another tip. Cache and cookies and history can cause problems with web browsers. What you could do, and it may, I don't know the percentages, you may want to just always, whenever you upgrade your web browser, close all the tabs, clear your cache and history, close Google Chrome, open up Google Chrome and don't open anything else. Go up to the menu, the three dots, click on Help, then click on About Google Chrome. It should automatically check for an update. If there is one available, it will download, then it will install, then it will prompt you with the relaunch button. You click on relaunch. Or you could also enable automatic updates, but I would still recommend. Well, I don't recommend anything. I don't guarantee anything. I don't really recommend anything. I don't ever give out advice. I just give you tips. So that tip is just to always start with the, close Google Chrome, clear the cache and cookies and history. You may have less problems. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to digress about how web browsers, a lot of them are just a total disaster. Anyways. Okay, any additional details? Let's see, 2856. How about the Chrome security page? Now, the update actually includes... this is kind of, you can check this out if you want, but this gives you more specifics about each update. There's actually 11, including the exploit. Security fixes and rewards. Well, you're rewarded. I don't know in context why they would use the word reward, but what do I get? Oh, I get nothing for recording these videos. Oh, that's right, I get trolled. I get these clowns all over my YouTube channel. They always have to pipe in, or they enter in some strange terms that I've never heard of, and then I search on the internet about them, and it's almost like some kind of code word. And I don't, and no. Or they try to correct me and claim I'm wrong when I'm right, and I can even tell them the exact second in the video where they are wrong and I am right. I'm not saying I'm always right. I'm not perfect, but I mean, give me a break. All right. Yeah, I don't get much rewards making these YouTube videos, except for trolling. And anyways, I digress. There are 11 security fixes. There is use after free and FedCM. Use after free and Swift shader. Oh yeah, there's a lot of shady YouTube trolls. Oh yeah, the audience. Ugh. There's so many trolls on YouTube. It's disgusting. Use after free and angle. Use after free and blink. Use after free and sign in flow. Heap. Oh, this. A heap of a buffer overflow. Buffer overflows are always awesome. They're excellent in downloads. Insufficient validation of trust. Well, that you could. Whoa! I better be careful with that one. Do you really trust Google Chrome with your data? Oops. That'll really get me censored off of We Censor YouTube. You cannot criticize Google and their subsidiary We Censor YouTube. Use after free and Chrome operating system shell, and then it just goes on and on. Now each one has a separate like bug page that you could check out and read up if you're interested. That might be overkill for most computer users, but you know. And then I already went over the one that they're aware of. Oh man, this is way too long of a video. You know what? I have to. Damn it! I'll just say the F word. I'm pissed now. Fuck. I'm gonna have to always turn on that damn fucking timer because I just wasted 3 minutes. Adios. Google Chrome 0-day exploit CVE 2022-2856 fix. Good luck.